During the closing ceremony of the 53rd International Film Festival of India, jury head, Israeli film director and screenwriter Nadav Lapid expressed displeasure with the inclusion of the Kashmir Files in the competitive section. The jury head said that it was of utter shock and disturbance to them as they felt like that Kashmir Files is a sheer propaganda vulgar movie inappropriate for an artistic competitive section of such a prestigious film festival. He said he felt totally comfortable to share openly these feelings, and since the spirit of having a film festival is to accept also critical discussion which is essential for art and for life. The film also faced heavy criticism in the past for the alleged one-sided portrayal of the events in the valley. Anurag Singh Thakur, the Union Minister of Information and Broadcasting, Pramod Sawant, the Chief Minister of Goa, and Union Minister of the State L. Murugan and Shripad Naik were among the attendees. Let us listen what Nadav Lapid said.
Qualities and defaults and evoked vivid discussions. We were, all of us, disturbed and shocked by the 15th film, by the movie Kashmir Files, that felt to us like a propaganda vulgar movie, inappropriate for an artistic competitive section of such a prestigious film festival. I feel totally comfortable to share openly these feelings here with you on stage, since the spirit that we felt in the festival can surely accept also a critical discussion, which is essential for art and for life.